Start. Para. This is suit for declaration and perpetual injunction. Brief facts of the suit are as under. Gala number 12 at measuring 420.95 square feet on ground floor and 420.95 square feet on first floor. Total 841.90 square feet together with land beneath the gala of city survey number 228 2A, survey number 131/2, municipal ALI number 33, Ghar number 61, situated at Kalyan, is the subject matter property of this suit. This suit property is situated within jurisdiction of Kalyan Dombivli Municipal Corporation, Kalyan. Plaintiffs are owner and possessor of the suit property on the basis of registered deed of conveyance bearing number 620/2011 dated 21/2011. Plaintiffs have purchased the suit property from Deepak and Shankar by paying consideration amount. Plaintiffs are doing JK Clothing business upon the suit property on the basis of above mentioned deed of conveyance. Plaintiffs have got electricity connection upon the suit property. Plaintiffs regularly paying municipal taxes to defendants. Para. The structure of the suit property is very old. Therefore, on 11/2/2011, plaintiffs allied to defendants for permission to repair some structure of the suit property. Along with the said application, plaintiffs submitted structural stability report of one Kedar Kade, structural engineer. In that application, plaintiffs sought permission of KDMC for repairing load bearing, for external and internal plastering, for replacement of stairs, for replacement of slab, and for increasing height level. After making scrutiny of the application of plaintiffs on 22/6/2011, wide KDMC granted permission to plaintiffs for repairing of the structure of the suit property upon certain terms and conditions. By adhering to said terms and conditions, plaintiffs made some repairing of the structure of the suit property. Plaintiffs have not made any structure beyond permission granted by KDMC. Para. On the basis of complaint of unknown person on 5/8/2013, wide KDMC issued notice to plaintiffs calling their explanation that as to why permission order dated 22/6/2011 for repairing of structure of the suit property cannot be cancelled for violation of condition number 5 and 6. On 16/8/2013, plaintiffs submitted their explanation. Then on 25/5/2016, KDMC issued notice wide under section 260 and 267(1) of Maharashtra Municipal Corporation Act 1949 to plaintiffs for hearing and called relevant documents of the suit property from plaintiffs. In the said notice, KDMC asked plaintiffs to submit title document, NA order, construction permission order issued by KDMC, and other relevant documents in respect of the suit property. Then on 2/6/2016, plaintiffs submitted their reply to KDMC. It is the case of plaintiffs that they are owner and possessor of the suit property on the basis of written permission given by KDMC. They have made some repairing upon the suit property in spite of these all things without applying mind and without following due process of law. KDMC has issued illegal notice dated 25/5/2016. It is submitted by plaintiffs that said notice is itself illegal. Therefore, plaintiffs constrained to file this suit. Plaintiffs have sought relief of declaration that notice dated 25/5/2016 be declared void and illegal. Further relief of declaration is sought that KDMC has no power and authority to act upon notice dated 25/5/2016 without following due process of law. Relief of perpetual injunction is sought, restraining thereby KDMC from demolition of the suit property unless due procedure of law is not followed, hence the suit. Stop.